They live in Wisconsin. There's no it's just flat. Well, they do have Wisconsin Dells.
True, the water park.
Yeah, and they do have like great.
Every time it's happening,
They got great
they're
fishing.
trying to something else.
Yeah, yeah, great fishing points there.
Yeah, sure, I heard that. I watched a concert now.
I would like to
Monday,
live.
Wednesday, Friday. He put out a video.
I want to. If I got a place, I'd live in Pendawish Waters. And
Okay. Is that like on the lake?
well, it's kind of like northwest Wisconsin, or northwest central Wisconsin,
Okay.
and they have like they got some really great lakes here, like Tomahawk and stuff, and it's kind of a a lot of pine trees and stuff like that. You ever see the movie Public Enemy?
I don't think so.
The one about gangsters.
Is it old?
But yeah, it's really a good movie. But in part of the movie, it's made about the shootout John Dillon had, and Manicowish Waters is where him and his gang hid out, where they had a big shootout with the FBI. And the place that he had the shootout is still there, and there's still bullet holes all over the thing. Just the
Yeah.
area.
You ever watch the Top Gear episode where they go to, I think it's Patagonia or something?
Oh, the people on the grass.
The first day they using foot passing childhood home or something.
I don't remember that. I'm sure I've probably seen it before. But
He drives a 997 or something, and there's like a moth that attacks him. So his license plate, like, they think it's a reference to the fall.
down in the south, and they had cars they were driving through that said NASCAR sucks.
Oh yeah. And everybody like a backflip.
Yeah,
Like, you need to leave right now.
yeah.
Doesn't James say, like, I love boys? It's like, right now.
Well, they do things. Did you